Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Today I am sharing with you my top favorite fall lipsticks from the drugstore. So these are going to be affordable, they're going to be bomb, that are perfect for sweater weather, or if you just love grungy lips, then this video is for you. Grab your cafecito and let me share with you my favorite affordable drugstore lipsticks perfect for the fall. The first lip combo that I wanted to share with you is going to be a rich chocolatey brown. I went ahead and swatched it right here. So you are going to want a deep, dark, almost like a dark chocolate lip liner. I am using the Maybelline Lifter Liner in the shade Cross the Line. This is going to be very, very, very deep. And then we're going to pair it with the Milani Sensual lipsticks. Let's go in with the lip liner first. As you can see, these are extremely pigmented and they glide. Now you can always bring this in, but the lip color is going to be pretty dark, so I don't feel the need to go in and blend. Now let's take our lipstick. Look at that. I think Milani makes my favorite like matte lipsticks, even though NYX has a ton of my favorite lipsticks, but when it comes to the formula, these I really love. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is a lip combo numero uno. Like, tell me this is not the epitome of fall. It makes your teeth look extremely white because of the undertones. It is creamy, it is rich, it is velvety, it is matte, but it is a comfortable matte. And of course, these are all affordable. Like, I love this lipstick and I will definitely be wearing it for any upcoming pumpkin patches. Maybe even for like Halloween. This is just the perfect fall lip combo. Lip combo numero dos is going to be the Essence 8 Hour Matte Liquid Lipstick. So this is going to give you a little bit more longevity to the lips. It's still a ultra matte, but it's not as drying. It is a little thinner in formula and not as velvety as like, I don't know, like the Anastasia ones. Those are amazing, but for the price point, it's really not bad, and they really do stay on the lips for a long time. And then I'm pairing it up with the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade On Ice. These two together are just a match made in heaven. I need to sharpen this, but I'm just gonna go with it. So let's line the lips. This is such a deep, rich, like a cherry cola color. Love ColourPop. Their lip liners are honestly so good. It's a little crooked. The lip liner is a little crooked, but it won't matter because this will pretty much cover it up. And I want you guys to see this. Look at how beautiful. Oh, it has a really nice red undertone, which just makes that lip liner pop so much more. I love this. It's the perfect berry color without being too like grungy. Perfection. I love this one so much. I actually wore it on Sunday and I got so many compliments. I was like, okay, definitely this is my go-to fall berry lip color. I have to share them with my girls because I love sharing lip combos. You guys know that. If you follow me on Instagram, I post tons of lip combo reels, so this is just one to add to your cart. The next color that I have is one of my favorites, which is the e.l.f. O Satin Lipstick or Satinol Lipstick. This is in the shade Drive. This specific color is really pretty because it is not your typical like mauve. It's like mauve-y, but it almost has like a really nice cool undertone. If you guys can see that little square in the middle, it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm pairing it with the Chai Latte lip liner from LA Girl. These are their shockwave lip liners. So I'm gonna block my lips and then go right in. I'm gonna go in with my lipstick. As you can see, the lip liner that you match with the lipstick will literally transform it, because this is more of a taupey, I don't know, it's definitely a taupe color. I feel like this is the perfect color to match with a deep brown, just to really pull in a little bit more warm, since this is leaning a little more cool. Nonetheless, I think this is also a really pretty lip combo, and honestly it like matches my aesthetic right now and I love it. They're so comfortable. They're not going to be matte, so if you prefer more of a satin finish, then definitely try this out. Again, this is Drive from ELF, and we paired it with the Shockwave LA Girl nude lip liner in Chai Latte. Gorgeous combo. We're switching it up a bit, and I'm gonna do one of the most simple lip combos you could ever try. Now this is not specifically for fall, but because it is more of a brown lipstick, I felt like it was perfect for today's video, and that is the ELF what is this, the lip oil, the Glow Reviver lip oil in the shade Honey Talks. If you are lighter than me, it's going to look more brown, and if you are my skin tone, it's going to look a little more nude. Let me just show you. I'm going to start off with my Italia lip liner in the shade light brown. These are extremely affordable lip liners, literally about $2 each, and they're the perfect dupe for MAC. So I'm going to start with that. As you can see, this is literally the perfect everyday lip liner. And then adding our lip oil. These are some of my favorite lip oils because they're so minty, they're so glossy, and they just pair with just about any lip combo. And there you have it. As you can see, this is super simple, very easy, beginner, middle, pro friendly. It is comfortable. It is a lip oil, so it's going to keep your lips nice and hydrated. It's the perfect shade to apply every day. This is it. ELF Honey Talks lip liner, Italia medium brown lip liner. Your go-to lipstick for the fall. We're finishing today's fall lip combos with a strong, bold, very, very deep color. So this is going to be the darkest shade, pretty close to black, and this is one of my favorite formulas from the drugstore, the Vinyl Super Stay ink lipsticks from Maybelline. These are super long wearing. They do have a little bit of a sticky start to them, but as they dry down, they will not move. You literally have to like almost rip off your lips. Not necessarily, but they are pretty hard to remove, which is why I honestly really love them. So for that one, I tend to use a very, very dark lip liner, and Pitch from ColourPop is literally the prettiest, most darkest, most dark. It's a very rich chocolate chip brown, so I'm gonna pair it with that one. That base is literally perfect. Again, ColourPop lip liners are seriously the best. I'm gonna shake it, and then we're going to apply it. Look at that. Look at that color. That is so close to being like a licorice color. It's so deep, so rich. It's going to be more of a purple toned lipstick. And this is lipstick combo numero 5. This is going to be the darkest out of everything. I will probably wear this for like trick-or-treating, taking my kids out trick-or-treating, you know, just to be in theme. Pretty close to black. You can also pair this with like a black lip liner. Italia has one that is called like black brown or dark brown, and it's pretty close to black. So if you guys are interested in that, I will have everything linked. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. What was your favorite fall lip combo? I honestly love every single one of them. I think they're just like the perfect either berry, brown, or very vampy color to welcome the fall season, the chilly sweater weather season. So thank you guys so much for being here. I love you. Stay safe, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video.